A Paper Moon puppet theatre was held an international puppet festival, inviting 12 artists from various countries. Held in Bantul, Yogyakarta, the festival featured a close interaction between the artists and the audience.
The 4th International Puppet Festival is held biannually by the Paper Moon Puppet Theatre since 2008 in Yogyakarta. 12 nations from Europe and Australia participated in this year's festival. The artists across discipline presented puppet theatre performances and showcased various contemporary puppets, which represent the uniqueness of each country and the imagination of each artist.
Dengan pencampuran dua budaya tentunya nggak masalah bagi saya. Soalnya kan kalau nggak hanya budaya satu sama budaya dua, kalau dicampur digabungkan membentuk kreasi yang baru. Itu bagus sekali buat saya. Dan tentunya buat kawan-kawan semuanya.
Not only children, but elderly audience enjoyed the puppet creations. The International Puppet Festival is aimed at providing a different interaction space in line with this year's theme, intimacy. Besides the collaboration of local and foreign artists, the 3-day festival has also shown interactive puppet installations, presentations, as well as workshops. And local residents were given the opportunity to design the decoration for the festival.